Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, locate calendar and tap on it. Then click on the month above and select the date. When you're done, you have to click at the bottom right corner on this icon, choose event and add a title. When you're done, you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can pick starting hour, ending one, or make event last all day by clicking on the switcher over here. You can also add people, set up location, notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before. Click done, add description and many other things. When you're done, click on save at the top right corner, and now as you can see, my event was successfully added. But if you wish to delete it, you can always click on it, tap at the three dots at the top right corner and select delete. Lastly, delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!